Never fun.
Is those gloves too? Wait a minute.
What?
Oh,
What?
Are those gloves too on the top there?
Yeah.
She's cleaning up the glove department.
These are two not matching gloves, so that really doesn't matter around here, but.
Yeah, and I still don't have matches for these. Okay. So down to the bottom again.
All right. We were there. Maybe did Carlene get a big box of fruit delivered yesterday?
Debbie Gaffney?
Yeah.
Oranges, I've already eaten 3 of them.
There you go.
Is the sound on?
Yes, the sound is on.
Thank you, Debbie.
Thank you.
They're good.
My mom said to me today, she said, "Do you want me to make some chocolate candies to give to Carlene?" And I said, no, we don't need any sweets. I said, but I'm sure she'd welcome your bean salad. And
That's
she
true.
said, "Oh, okay, I'll do that instead." It's like, we have so many. Hello. It's Thursday. It's almost Christmas.
Thursday is Steve Day.
Today is Meet Chipper Steve Day. He is outside right now with his headlamp on, walking around the grounds.
He likes it when winter comes and he can wear his headlamp.
He does like the headlamp.
Yes,
which
he
is
does.
fun.
He likes his toys.
He does like his
He's a man.
He is, yeah.
I like your toys.
They do, for sure. So yeah, as you guys probably are aware, we flipped the ladies. So Gussie's now out here, and Lainey seems much more relaxed and comfortable in there.
Yeah.
It's not as busy.
She's by herself. For crying
She's
out
by
loud.
herself. She likes it. She's very calm. She likes to snuggle. Was it a quiet day? Yeah, it seemed pretty quiet. I mean, like physically with the barking on the farm, or just dogs today everybody seemed relatively calm today. I mean, I didn't have anything terribly exciting happen. Oh, I do have money for you, Carlene.
Oh, good.
For the calendars. I don't know where you want. Do you want me to put them? The front. No, this is from Margaret. Thursday, Margaret. Pregnant Margaret.
Okay.
She collected money.
Bucket.
Okay. There's checks and stuff in there. Checks too. Is that okay? Everything? Yep. All right. So.
It's a ridiculous place to put it, but
That's okay. Walter will be very happy when he gets home. Oh, good. I can't wait to see what's in that box. Betty, I'll take a video of that. She sent me a bunch of stuffed animals that she had, because I was saying how Walter loves stuffed animals, and he loves to rip open cardboard boxes, so it should be entertaining for him. Do dogs need to pee more often in the cold like me? I haven't really noticed. I don't really count how many times they pee when they go out in the kennel, but not sure on that one. How are the puppies doing? They're good. I mean, they're making puppy sounds. Unfortunately, I don't spend much time
they're gaining.
in there with them.
Are
So
we okay over there?
Yep.
What is she doing now?
No puppies are in that blanket.
and she's nesting.
She's gonna lie down, then you're gonna give her the puppies down there, right? Is that what she's thinking?
How is Magnus? Haven't seen him lately. I just had Magnus down on Puppy Hill with me and Noelle and Walter, so he is doing great. He is actually now the skinny one, and Noelle is the fat one. So how times have changed.
Call from.
When is Lainey due? Lainey is due, I want to say, is it Christmas Eve, Liv?
No, you may not.
Is it?
Go
Yeah,
ahead.
Christmas Eve.
May I speak to the owner of the business?
Oh,
I said, no, you may not. Oh, shit, he's back again.
here we go. This might be fun. Oh, it's a fax machine. Okay. Okay, the authors were so good at the feeding table today. They were amazing at the weight. Yes, they were, actually. I didn't know if I was the only one that thought that. I don't even know who watches anymore down there. Sometimes I'm like freezing and I'm like, is anyone even watching?
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, they were really, really great. Edgar's the problem in the group with the loudmouth. He likes to talk back. So if you notice, sometimes we wait longer
Did she lie
than others.
down
It's
yet?
no, she's messed up all the blankets. I can see them all balled up from here. Yeah,
What is she telling us?
she's complaining.
Okay, look, you gotta lie down. We'll get him out.
Carlene's getting in there. We're so good. They were really good. So Edgar, like, as you can see, sometimes we wait a little bit longer, but it's because Edgar's barking. So when he stops barking, that's when we allow them all to come to the theater. I'm just watching Carlene, so don't mind me in my own little world. Let's see. Do we have a lot of packages today? Anything good, you know?
You do have a few.
Good. Oh, I see the headlamp. He's back.
Well, can we lie down here? There we go. There you go. Good girl. We got to wash well. Good.
You need one? You got one? All right. Meet your prestige just in time.
Now we're coming.
You can entertain the camera crowd for a little while. Carlene just sat in there with the littles.
Well, I need to come up with a nickname for you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, this will be
Well,
fun.
I'm gonna be meat chipper. I mean, I need. All right.
Steve's gonna entertain them
Well,
while
she
you're.
wanted the boundaries out of the bucket.
Oh, of course she did.
My laptop. I didn't see you bring it in.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I did not see you bring it in. Oh, Commodores.
Have fun.
You're going the wrong way.
Plain
You know
paper.
what? You're right. I did bring it in. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Entertain for 2 minutes.
Entertain.
I don't do song and dance.
Well, I think it's about time.
No. Hi, Blue. I will show you in fact, I can show you.
Paper for the printer or paper to draw on?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, just I can make one of these, a list.
Oh, because this is just super long paper, is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Blue, we have penguin socks.
Oh, goodness.
Okay. We have Santa Claus, as in cat claws.
That's a big sucker. That's a big puppy.
And then we have the Christmas squirrel.
You find anything in there?
The mother and pup separation work. When did the mother go home? Do they deal with the separation? I think so I'll give an example of Noelle. When Noelle had puppies, she couldn't wait to get out of here. She would every day would try and get out of here with me. I think when Magnus was about 5 or 6 weeks old, I started taking him home with me, and he just kind of keep her boobs going, and it worked. So I don't think they mind. They really once some of the moms just really are done, and when they're done, they're done. And the puppies don't even really seem to notice. I don't think so. All right. Squeeze out of here. Here's your entertainment, folks.
Boy. Oh, boy. Any updated puppy weights? No. We hope to weigh them this evening, though. No promises.
That's all. These are right brown puppies.
All right, what do we got here? Grace cleaned the stall. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. All right.
Stop it.
Okay, Jody, what
Yes.
would you like to eat?
I have no idea. I have to look at the menu.
Oh, okay. And honey, are you eating?
No, I don't.
Lainey's doing great. She loves her new space.
I need some tape. Second for the list.
I have no idea.
Is
Oh, here.
Success. Thank you.
Oh, wait, this one's open. I'll trade
Oh,
you.
wow. Okay.
Lainey's doing great. She loves her new digs. She's much more relaxed over there. Great.
Bye.
Good night.
How's she doing?
Hi, Toria.
There's some chicken
Hi,
before.
Betty.
Stop, did she like it? Or she had something anyway.
All right, hold on, Blue.
Shells? Like stuffed shells? Okay.
I have to do a puppet show for Blue.
Oh,
Socks.
you're doing a puppet, oh, well, go get them.
Christmas socks.
Go get them. I have my Christmas socks on.
Well, you
Well-
have to show. It doesn't count if you don't show them.
Well, I'm showing them. These are, I have like 3 pairs, so this is just, these are the dull ones. But I have 2 brighter pairs. So we got our personalities.
Oh, heavens.
Take a pick.
You want to take that colored one out?
I think I will stick with the solid. Oh, give me the striped. I don't care.
You want the yellow, huh? Yeah, okay. There you go. You're the elf. There you go.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be Santa.
Honey, what would you like to eat?
Hi, Blue. How are ya? Wait, practice your way.
Are they supposed to talk to each other like that?
Well,
That's better.
they could do that too.
You know something, Jody? You're scaring me. All right. Hi, everyone. Hello. Puppet show, huh, Blue?
How was that, Blue? Come on.
She scares me a little bit. Just so you know, I'm kidding.
No, you
I
should
love
be-
Jody.
You should be scared.
I love Jody. No, you kidding me? I love her.
Love ya.
She's great. All right.
just gotta go with
Carlene's
it.
over there on the floor, so it might take a while. All right.
Answer to question I have now. In answer to.
I have no idea. Well, there you go. All right.
Sorry, huh?
Yes, the camera will be on when she has birth.
Yeah.
Pomodoro.
Midori's? You know what? How about just spaghetti and meatballs?
Oh, and you're not going to put them on the floor, right?
I'm not going to dump them this time.
All right.
I swear. Who's buying? So I can say thank you.
Carly.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Carly. Okay.
And Jody, you're going to look at the
I will
menu.
look, yes. We're the song and dance while we're waiting for Carly. Hey, you have a great
I was
voice.
just-
You could sing.
Oh, yeah.
I was just going to go down and sing the animal carol to the donkeys.
Oh my gosh,
I
there are
said the
so many different
donkey, oh,
versions now of
What is
animals
it? Fuzzy
singing.
and brown. I carry his mother. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da. I said the donkey, all fuzzy and brown.
You don't have to stand up.
Somebody has to go down to the barn anyway and open the stall door.
Oh,
to the
okay. Well,
outside
Grace is
so they can
down.
come in.
Grace is down there. I think she'll.
Oh, I thought you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Would you like to sit here?
No, I can fall down. No,
I can wait. No, here you go.
Too late.
Not too late.
Okay.
Come on. Come on.
All right.
Come on, ready?
Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
There we go.
There we go.
There we go. The group effort. All right,
Okay.
you all do your little song and dance.
I'm here. I landed. Okay.
You made it.
I made it. Now, Judy.
Stuck on you. I'm stuck on you.
There you go.
You know what I found that phone?
Where?
In the door of my car. No wonder I don't have any phones here.
Okay. All right.
Ah. Oh, what the hell? Don't even tell anybody. I stuck it in there. Somebody's gonna get mad. Hide it. Ah. Okay, so have we got,
Is it called Pomodoro?
Pomodori, I believe.
Pomodori?
Oh,
Yeah. Do you need a menu?
Yeah. I was trying to look one up online, but
Pomodori,
okay.
Pomodori Ipswich.
I believe it's Pomodori.
I can try to print it for you. I have one.
Okay.
Did she find one, do you suppose?
And I'll find mine and
Okay. Can you hear me now?
print it for her.
You can print it over there?
Should be
You know
able
what?
to.
Great. I'll text you.
Come on. Computer's frozen. It's a little slow. It's been in my car all afternoon. Also needs a new hard drive.
Well, I'll tell you what, I can probably. Pomodoro.
Like the Boston Market, 5 guys will be dead, 5 guys. No, I don't have Pomodori's in there. Son of my gun. Wait, there's another menu. Nope.
Okay, so now, I mean, I'm gonna print this? What the hell,
Well, you
man?
probably print it as a PDF, so. Give it a shot. Here you go.
How many, 8 sheets of paper? The hell, right?
I guess.
Okay, you got it coming out, the menu.
It's coming, Jody.
And then I just need the phone number.
I just told them to print it. So that's what's coming, between 8 sheets of paper.
Did you get that much, really?
Yep.
978.
356.
Okay, and you need
Oh,
the
that.
credit card number.
Too sweet.
Baby, it's cold outside.
That one that goes in there.
Oh my goodness, come on.
That one.
Okay, I'll bring it right back.
Do you have a menu?
No, I just have the credit card. Last
I'll
four
trade you. I'll
digits.
give you the menu. I'll take the credit card.
Okay, not too shabby.
Okay.
What are we doing? Am I opening the mail?
Let's open the mail. Oh, before
Let's
we
open the
start,
mail.
'cause I forgot this Saturday because we were so blitzed and tired. This is from one of the secretaries at our school.
From one of the secretaries at school.
Yes.
She would like
Kelly Clark.
she would like a
Thank you,
couple
Kelly.
bricks?
Bricks.
2 bricks. I gotta have it on a piece of paper.
Okay. Want me to write down or?
Sure.
Sure, I'll do it.
Write it on the piece of paper.
Gotcha.
Then I'll start opening mail.
Start opening mail. I'll write this.
And Julie's in charge of food.
Yes. I'm just waiting to hear back with Grace.
Okay. Who, Grace?
Grace. I text her. I talked to her, but she couldn't hear me, so,
Grace?
yes.
What does she eat? Shells, doesn't she?
Yeah, she gets stuffed shells.
Does she? Okay.
Yeah, unless you want something, ask her first, but
Yeah.
Never.
if you
Okay.
can't find it, get stuffed shells.
Judy,
Yes?
978-356-8800.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so here we have Renee Martin, Danbury, Connecticut. That's the first I've seen Danbury, Connecticut. Wish you happy holidays. It's right on the tip of my tongue. Oh my, oh, isn't that cute? It's right on the tip of my tongue.
I hear puppy squeaks.
As we did last year, my best friend and I have decided to donate to our favorite charities instead of giving gifts this year. Merry Christmas. Well, isn't that nice?
thank you. Oh, and you got a side of a small fry?
It's folded way in the bottom here. Oh my word! They give lots of gifts to each other.
Oh, great. There's that one.
That's 3 zeros. Wow.
Whoa.
Very nice. Thank
Nice.
you very much.
Thank you.
Very much. Renee.
Here's your pen. Yeah, let me get the
Why would I
names.
want a pen? I'm just reading.
Well, in case you want to write something.
Okay, thank you very much, Renee.
That's awesome.
And
Thank
it's
you
a
so
funny
much.
card beside. Did you see the card?
No, I did not. It's cute.
Okay, so there you are. There's Renee, and there's her note.
Just
All right.
walk
T.T.
away,
doggy.
Renee.
Connecticut doggy.
Follow you back home.
Are you doing the whiteboard, or am I doing the whiteboard?
You
No,
can do it if you
she-
want, or I'll do digital.
You do like the whiteboard, right?
Go for it.
Go ahead.
37 Boxford Lane. Uh-huh.
Christmas is just plain weird. There was a Frankenstein, yep. This person works overtime and getting
Very
very
creative.
So we have Hollywood.
Of which?
Hollywood. And then we have Alice Royce,
One small.
Winchester, New Hampshire.
And then,
Are they all, I don't like you walking around in there, Annie.
and then I.
No, I'm getting a puppy and moving it.
What?
I'm getting a puppy and moving it.
You call one of us. We'll come and get it, okay?
Okay.
You should, there's too much folded up laundry in there.
I can do it digital if you want. It's just-
Okay.
it's just
No problem.
easy.
Go on.
Okay,
Go on,
you do
let's
it.
go.
Do it.
Okay.
You do it.
I mean, are we trying to move to digital, or is that what we're doing?
No, I do it because usually if I'm alone,
Right, it's easier
there's no
for
way I
you.
can
Right.
do that in this, so it just is easier for me. But,
All right,
yeah, but
so,
would you here? Yeah, absolutely.
You're at the wrong start.
Hi, Regina.
Okay, we're all organized.
And that's
If you have any problem, Annie, you call
all right, what did
okay?
Hollywood send us, just a card?
Well, there's too much,
Aw.
there's too many blankets on the floor there, you're gonna get all the food on.
Okay, we're waiting on you.
I'm rushing, believe
Don't rush.
I'm
I
rushing.
didn't know you were Russian.
I was.
Really?
Well, you get Annie walking around in there and somebody hooked the rope up so that you couldn't possibly use it. You know, I have these rules for reasons. You hang on to that rope if you're walking around there.
Do I add a tip for the driver?
Yes, you do.
How much?
$10.
Sequin.
Yes.
Hey, Judy.
Yeah.
Never mind, she's on the phone.
Huh?
Wait till she's done.
This was
Not
Alice
Jody,
Royce.
Oh,
I already said Winchester, New Hampshire. Did we do that already?
no.
There you go,
That's
try
a
that
new
one.
All right. Right.
Yeah.
Right. Right,
Awesome, thanks very
right.
much.
And how do you cut them up?
I use
Have the
scissors.
scissors.
We gotta find them first, right?
Find what, the cards or the
The cards.
scissors?
The cards and the scissors. That works, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, Judy.
Yes?
Sequin Pat says that her favorite calendar picture is Wilbur and Max.
Oh, that's so sweet.
There you go.
Thank you. Mine
Yeah,
too?
I'm sure.
It's mine too, I like that one.
It is
I-
good. It is a good
It would have
thing.
been a good cover. Wasn't the cover? No. Okay,
Got it.
let it not snow. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, here we have, enclosed is money for a calendar and a little extra for for whatever we see fit. My sister Dorothy and I have been CPs since 2013. We watched Gussie being born and now have the privilege of watching her give birth twice. Our evenings begin with mail call. Hi! And evenings, but it's fun. The fun, humor, laughs, joys, and sometimes sadness. But all in all, getting to know everyone by phone, tablet, computer, always been part of the Service Dog family. Wishing you and everyone happy holiday and things like that. Karen and Dorothy Romano. Okay, so this has to go for, they want a calendar.
Okay.
That's a calendar and some extra,
Yeah,
so
get some more
that's plenty,
calendars tonight.
that's
too.
lovely.
Did the
Lovely extra.
check I gave you, did that go in the chicken brisket?
It went in there, but I
Perfect.
did not know if it did not have it.
Now, here's the thing. There you go. Well, you were busy, you helped us.
I know,
There.
it's radical. One, calendar.
Hey, bud, how you doing?
Okay, so that has to go in here, because
Thank you.
then Linda finds it and gives them a calendar. There you go.
Got it.
We used to keep the calendar separate, everyone, what
Yes, you
for?
did.
It didn't make any sense, really.
Well, you had a lot of calendar orders in the beginning.
That's true, but they all go to the same place,
True.
so we were wasting one whole jar.
How you doing, bud?
And now that poor jar sits idle, waiting for its
If
next
you're around,
purpose
That's
in
right.
I'll tell you a
life.
couple of things about the snow blower, and I've got
Sits
some more
all by
share things in my
itself.
pocket.
Okay, it's all fixed.
It must
Okay.
be our friends.
Guess who we are?
I worked on it today.
Harold and
Okay.
Wanda.
It's in good shape.
Who am I handing this to?
Harold and Wanda. Hi, Harold. Hi, Wanda. Hi, Jude. Jody.
Oh, boy.
Okay.
Let's see, it should be 5. 1, 2, 3.
Sandra
There you
Fisher,
go, bud.
Tucson, Arizona.
Yeah, I replaced the one that was broken the other day. Today I took the carburetor apart, cleaned that, and it seems to be working.